Morning guys, today is our day 2. Samahan nyo kami sa gala namin today. Today we're going to Macau. So as you can see, maaga kami gumising. I think 6 o'clock pa lang umalis na kami. So we are taking this line, Chim Sa Tsui. Magti-train lang tayo papunta dun sa ferry terminal. So, ito ang aming sinakyan, no? We will be going to Central via Chim Sha Tsui. So, after nga ng Central, pupunta naman tayo sa Xiongwan. Bali, nandun yung ferry terminal. So, doon tayo sasakay ng ferry papuntang Macau. Ayan, yung direction is going to Kennedy Town. So, ayun, pagbaba mo sa Xiongwan, di ka naman maliligaw kasi you will see signs. Ayan, Exit D, Hong Kong Macau Ferry Terminal. Kotay Jet pala guys yung sasakyan natin, tapos nabili ko sa trip.com yung ticket. Okay, after clearing immigration, it's time to go down to the boarding gate. So after a while, it's time to board na. Mabilis naman ang boarding process. Actually, yung binook namin is 9:30, pero dahil maaga kami, pinayagan na kaming sumakay ng 8:30. So yun naman, nakikita niyo yung ferry, no? Actually, guys, malamig ngayon. Kaya tama-tama lang na nag-jacket kami. Yan, malaki naman yung ferry at saka mabilis. So nakaupo na kami, relax time na, getting ready. Ang biyahe pala guys is 1 hour. So yan na, paalis na kami ng Hong Kong going to Macau. And in a short while, after 1 hour, andyan na nga tayo sa Macau. So guys, this is Macau already, no? And then after that, mag-disembark na tayo. Let's go through immigration. And watch out for part 2.